How to create snapshot calendar on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create snapshot calendar on Microsoft Word easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Microsoft Word, click on it, and now on this page, this is the home page, search here for snapshot calendar. And here is it right here. Now after you find it, click on it like this, and now you will be able to create one like this just by clicking on create. Click OK, and now as you can see, you can edit the text as you want. You can change the photos, you can, and after you finish, of course, don't forget to click save right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.